Hello guys and welcome to TechTricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you the step-by-step tutorial on how to create a fact video on Invideo. So by the end of this video, you will learn how to do them. So without further ado, let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to go on the website of Invideo, and then what we're going to do next is to use the new video creation with Copilot. So let's click this link right here, which is invideo.io. And then let's click this Try Invideo AI. Once we are now on this website right here, once you are now redirected, all you have to do is to type the video that you want to create. So let's say for example that you are a content creator about random facts and you want to create a 5 random facts video for your audience. So what we're going to do here on the message box is to type, so let's say for example that this is the video that you want to create. So after that, let's click this generate a video and then let's wait for it to finish. And then let's click continue again. And after that, if we play the video right here, as you can see right there, Invideo AI have now created the video for us, and once we are now done with this, all we have to do is to click download and wait for it to finish. So that is basically it for this video. Thank you guys for watching TechTricks tutorial. I hope you learned something, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a good day everyone.